Energy. It's the lifeblood of our modern world. We use it to power our homes, our cities, our lives. Most of this energy travels through wires, but what if we could send it through the air? Imagine a world without power lines, a world where energy flows invisibly from source to destination. This isn't science fiction. It's the potential future of wireless power transmission. The idea isn't new. Nikola Tesla, a visionary inventor, dreamed of transmitting power wirelessly over a century ago. His experiments, though ultimately unsuccessful, laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of electromagnetism. Today, scientists and engineers are revisiting Tesla's dream, exploring new ways to beam energy through the air using technologies like magnetic resonance and directed energy beams. Our current reliance on power lines, while essential, comes at a cost. These metal arteries crisscrossing our landscapes are not without their problems. They are vulnerable to damage from storms, susceptible to sabotage, and visually intrusive. More importantly, power lines pose a serious threat to wildlife. Birds, with their limited vision, often collide with these invisible obstacles, leading to injury and death. Bats, too, are at risk. These nocturnal navigators, relying on echolocation to find their way, can be disoriented by the electromagnetic fields surrounding power lines, leading to fatal collisions. The impact of power lines on birds is a significant environmental concern. Millions of birds die each year from collisions with these structures, including endangered and threatened species. Raptors, with their large wingspans and soaring flight patterns, are particularly vulnerable. These majestic birds, including eagles, hawks, and owls, often perch on power poles, using them as vantage points to hunt. However, this seemingly convenient perch can be a death trap. As these birds launch themselves into flight, their wings can easily clip the wires, leading to electrocution or fatal injuries from the fall. Bats, the only mammals capable of true flight, are also significantly impacted by power lines. These nocturnal creatures, essential for insect control and pollination, are particularly susceptible to something called barotrauma. As bats fly near power lines, the sudden pressure changes caused by the line's electromagnetic fields can rupture their delicate lung tissues, leading to internal bleeding and death. A world without wires. The promise of wireless energy transmission extends beyond mere convenience. It offers a chance to mitigate the environmental impact of our current energy infrastructure, particularly its effect on wildlife. Imagine a world where birds can soar freely, unobstructed by a network of wires. Imagine a world where bats can navigate the night sky without the risk of encountering a silent, invisible killer. Wireless power transmission could be a game-changer for conservation efforts, allowing us to power our world while minimizing our impact on the delicate balance of nature. It could help protect migratory bird routes, safeguard bat populations, and reduce the overall environmental footprint of energy production. The price of progress. While the benefits of wireless power are enticing, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential downsides. One concern is the potential for increased energy consumption. The ease of wireless power, while convenient, could lead to a surge in demand, as people become less conscious of their energy usage. This, in turn, could exacerbate existing environmental problems associated with energy production, such as greenhouse gas emissions and resource depletion. Another concern is the potential for ecological disruption. The electromagnetic fields used to transmit power wirelessly, while potentially less harmful than power lines, could still have unforeseen consequences for wildlife, particularly for species sensitive to electromagnetic radiation. Balancing act energy and ethics. The pursuit of wireless power, like any technological advancement, requires careful consideration of its ethical implications. We must weigh the benefits against the risks, ensuring that our quest for progress doesn't come at the expense of the planet and its inhabitants. Rigorous research is needed to understand the potential ecological impacts of wireless power transmission and to develop mitigation strategies. International cooperation is crucial to establish safety standards and regulations for this emerging technology. The future of energy transmission lies in finding a balance between our need for power and our responsibility to protect the natural world. It's a challenge that requires innovation, collaboration, and above all, a deep respect for the delicate web of life that sustains us all.